Today, we're making one of the most iconic Italian-American dishes of all time.
It all starts with some lightly breaded eggplant fried to perfection.
And then baked with homemade marinara and lots of melty mozzarella.
Every bite is an Italian food lover's dream come true.
Oh, it is so good. Come true. Yay! Woo-hoo. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My Italian dream lover dream come true. I don't know what
Close,
I'm saying.
close.
You're just dreaming about delicious food.
I love it.
And this is about as good as it comes.
This is so good.
So let's get going.
All right, let's get with the
batter.
breading. So the breading, I've got some flour here. That's about a 1.5 to maybe 2 cups of flour there, all purpose.
Yeah.
Then I've got 6 eggs here, and then I've got a 1/2 cup of some grated Parmesan. Throw that in there.
There's going to be a lot of parm in this eggplant parm.
And then I've got a tablespoon of chopped parsley, fresh parsley. Get that in there.
If you don't have fresh, you could use dried.
Oh, but get some fresh.
Yeah, do half the amount. Okay.
And then I've got a teaspoon teaspoon of salt, and then just a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna mix that all together while Chris talks to you about the eggplant.
So like Wesley said, this is just, it's not a super heavy breading, and some people, we're gonna fry these up, baby. Fry them up, baby, but you don't have to do that. You could do them in the oven, you could do them in your air fryer, but we love to give them a quick flash fry, and they're so delicious. Look at that eggplant, isn't that great?
So good.
We wanted to soften it up a little bit, and there's a real easy way to do that. I got 2 medium-sized eggplants, and then I just got my knife and I just cut them into like 1/4-inch slices. And then to help soften them up and just get them ready for the batter, all we did is we put them into a colander that I put over a large bowl, and then I got some coarse sea salt, whatever you got, just liberally put salt all over those sliced eggplant. And then let them sit there for about 30 to 40 minutes. So you scooch them around a little bit, and they're just gonna exude some of that moisture that they've been retaining. And what happens is that just makes them nice and soft. But we wanna get rid of that salt. So we're gonna take it over to the sink, and I'm just gonna cool it or rinse it with cool water till that salt is gone. Then we're gonna add these softened eggplant to some paper towels, and then just pat them dry, and they're ready to go. Just like the Loon
I'm
is.
ready to go. I mixed that all together.
That looks really good.
I had a clump
That's
there
okay.
that I tried to get rid of.
That
but
happens.
you know what? A little clump never hurt anybody.
Well, that's what I've always
when
said.
it's a cheese clump, forget about it.
That's the best kind of clump.
All right, I'm just going to quickly put these in the flour.
So you don't want to overbread these. These are, like we said, these are lightly breaded. You don't want it super like crisp. They're not like cutlets.
So how's the flour sitch? Is it okay?
Yeah. You just kind of get the excess off. And so I've got some oil over here. I've got vegetable oil that I've heated to 350 degrees. It's going to fry these up beautifully and nicely.
Ooh, look at that.
That's nice. That's great.
All right, and I'm just going to hand
Yeah,
this
just
to
set
you.
them there. You could just set them right there.
Is that good?
That's good. You did really
I'm gonna
good.
keep on going with these.
Okay, do one more round, and then we're going to put them in the fryer.
Right, look at that.
We have been making this for many, many years. I have to say,
the first time you made it, I was like, I'm not a vegetarian. Why should I have eggplant Parmesan? Why can't you just make chicken?
he would never order
Or
it whenever
veal.
we would go to our favorite places because it didn't have meat in it. We know the Loon by now.
There you
so
go.
Anyway, so finally I said, will you just try it? It's so decadently good. You're going to like it. And of course he did.
So
and so
good.
then we put it on the blog, and it became one of our most popular dishes on the blog. And we've had it for years. We've had friends who have made it. And so we said, you know what? Let's do this again to all of our new fans and followers,
let's
because you
freshen
guys
it up a bit.
well, it's tried and true.
It is.
But anyway.
I meant us. We're refreshed.
Yes, well, I guess that's one way of putting it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put these in. All right, these are going to I've got my oil cooled off just a bit. You want to have it at a nice, good 350 degrees, and we're going to let these fry until they are nice and golden. Oh, aren't these beautiful?
Wow.
So these are just, see what I mean? They're just kind
I
of
love it.
nicely, lightly fried. So, all right, these have been going for a few minutes.
This is our second batch.
This is our second batch. So we are going to let these drain on some paper towels while we continue. I think these remind me a little bit of, if you've ever had chicken franchise, it's called egg on the outside. The batter is like an egg batter.
Totally.
And it's kind of just, it's not as heavy and it's a little lighter. They're fried, there's no question about that. But they're not like super layered down with too much breading.
I think I know why I like this dish. Because there is some frying involved.
There is some frying, but we're keeping that light. But trust me, we're going to weight it down with some cheese in just a moment. Okay, I'm going to get my oil back to temperature. We're going to finish these off, and then it's time to build one of the best baked pasta dishes of all time.
Oh, I love it.
Yes.
Look at this, y'all. That is a pile of fried eggplant.
It's a pile of yumminess is what that is. It's so good.
Love it.
It's so wonderful. So, okay, we're ready to build this baby.
Pardon my reach.
Oh, it's okay. So now you'll see this right here. This is a key component to making this spectacular. This is my homemade marinara sauce. You can use.
It's amazing, y'all. Make it.
It's
not so hard. I thought
really,
it was hard, but then I'm like, that's not hard.
It's not that hard.
No.
It's really not that hard. And you can do it days in advance. It's a game changer in your baked pasta dishes. So let me tell you. Store it and freeze it. So let me tell you, this is cooled off. I made this earlier in the day today. Let me tell you how I made it. First of all, you're going to get 3 28-ounce cans of whole tomatoes in liquid. Preferably if you can get San Marzano, certified San Marzano, those are the best. You're going to dump those into a colander over a bowl, and you just want to let them drain. You want all that liquid to come out and separate from the whole tomatoes. Okay? Now, over into this large skillet, we're going to heat over medium heat a 1/4 cup of good old olive oil. And then we're going to add to that a 1/4 cup of minced garlic. It's a good amount of garlic, but that's perfect. And we're going to let that saute for 5 minutes until it gets nice and golden. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of fresh basil that I have chopped, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley that I've chopped, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And you're just going to saute that till about 30 seconds. You want to talk about aromatic. Wow! Okay, now we're going to start grabbing those whole tomatoes, just one by one, and just squeeze them on into the pan until they're all in there. And then you're going to just stir that up and let that cook on medium high for a good 5 minutes. Those tomatoes are really going to start breaking down. Then we're going to turn the heat down to say medium low. You're probably going to want to cover it at this point because it gets a little splattery, and let that simmer for a good 10 minutes. Then we're going to take the lid off. We're going to add the reserved liquid in, stir that up, crank the heat up, bring it to a boil, cover it one more time because it likes to splatter, let it go for a good 12 minutes, then take the lid off, stir it, and you're done. All you need to do is let it go.
That was so fast. My head is spinning.
It's spinning, I know, but that's marinara. That's whirlwind marinara. Okay, let's build this baby.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so I've got, this is like you can do this in a 9x13. This is, I think, my good old sturdy 10x10. Whatever you've got it's sort of the equivalent to a 9x13. We're going to do a thin layer.
Very thin layer. We've got enough. You don't have to do so thin.
I know. Well, we're going to use a good amount of it. Okay, so now we've got a thin layer of that. Are you going to help me? We're going to start.
Yes.
I'm just using my fingers. My hands are clean.
Well, I'll let you.
Okay.
I'll do the cheese. Once
you do the cheese, please. You're good at doing the cheese.
So you're doing 9 across the bottom.
That's right, 9.
Nice.
So we're going to have a substantial amount of eggplant parm. Okay.
Oh wait, and then we need a little more.
Another layer of
this. Just kind of douse it on each one.
Yes.
There
Just
you go.
Go ahead and go for it.
Okay. Is that thin?
Yeah.
You do it.
Okay. Don't be. He's telling me put more on there.
Well,
and
I know.
Gets out the eye drop. Like just a little squirt.
All right.
Okay.
Mr. Man.
I know. Okay. Now we've got mozzarella.
Yes.
And we're going to do with the mozzarella. Normally, I would say do 3 cups of mozzarella. You'll see, in the past, I'd like to do fresh mozzarella that I've sliced in half or sliced into slices. This is really good quality mozzarella, and it's going to be fine. What I was going to say, if you're going to do shredded, you could do anywhere from 3 to 4 cups. If you like it nice and really gooey mozzarella, go 4 cups. So guess what we're doing?
We're doing 4 cups.
4 cups here. So now I got some parm.
Now you got some parm.
It wouldn't be eggplant parm without parm. So put just a thin layer. That's probably about maybe a tablespoon of that. Okay? We're going to repeat this process until we've built it all the way up. And then I'm too excited to even say it.
Let's do it.
Do it. That was something else, I'll tell you right there. I feel like I'm in Little Italy.
Yeah, Little Italy.
Little Italy. Okay, so now As you can see, we have used all 4 cups of our cheese. Now we're going to top this with a good old.
I just salivated.
I know this has been one of my favorites for years, and it became one of your favorites not too long ago.
No, it's
no,
so
a while ago.
It's just.
People think, well, it's meatless, so it's really healthy. Anyway, you saw the amount of cheese. All right, so we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and this is going to bake for about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, make sure
Real quick, we saved a little bit of the marinara so we can put it on the bottom of our plates.
Yeah, that's important. So this is going to go for about 50 minutes until golden bubbly. Oh, the smell! I'm telling you,
I peeked at it, and it's gorgeous.
It is glorious.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Close that for me, would you? Look at that.
Oh my!
Stars.
Wow!
Wow, now that's bubbling hot.
Yeah, I'm not going to dig into that.
No,
right now.
that would not be advisable. Anyway, this is.
We'd do it.
We would for you guys. The smell is off the charts.
That's just gorgeous.
This baked for, I'm going to tell you exactly 48 minutes, anywhere between 45 and 50 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want to get it overly brown. This is perfect the way it is. So this is the agonizing part. You do need to let it sort of just settle down. Just kind of calm. Simmer down now. Simmer down. And this will stay hot. I'm telling you, you could even wrap it for an hour to an hour and a half. It's still going to be delicious. I don't think we can wait that long. I've got a little fresh parsley because that makes everything look prettier. But we are going to let this.
Yeah, we can't wait that long.
If you can let it rest for at least 30 minutes, you're going to get a cleaner slice. You're going to get that beautiful cheese pull. We'll see how long we can let this one wait. The time has come. Oh my gosh.
It's eggplant time. Eggplant parm time.
I know. I'm so happy. All right. So this is some of that marinara that I told you about that we saved. We heated it up on the stove. Just give a little bed of it. You don't want it
a little bit of a bed.
Drowning in it. Just, it's a little flavor enhancement because, we need flavor.
Oh, and you heated that up. That's so nice.
We did heat it. Yeah, well, I'm thinking about you. All right. Now it's like pie time. It's cutting, I'm cutting into, this has been, I don't know.
You want this slice, and I'm going to take that middle slice.
Yes. So we let this rest about 20 minutes probably, which means it's still going to be a little sloppy.
That's okay.
But that's okay.
That's why we have bowls.
It's like lasagna. It's supposed to be a little messy. When we do photography, we try to get them so pristine and so perfect. And but when we're cooking for y'all, we know you don't judge us. Do you? All right, I'm just killing time.
I'm just killing
time because I'm
like,
so
why
nervous.
are you talking so much?
Because I'm nervous. Okay. I'm going to come in here. This is going to be mine. Ooh, that looks good.
That looks wonderful.
Ooh, there we go.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful.
I think that's going to work.
Yeah.
Let me get a little bit of this.
There you go.
That's a heaping helping of good old eggplant parm. I'm going to put a little.
Wonderful.
I want to have a clean slate here when I get.
Okay, Chris, let's do a nice cheese pull here.
Let's do it. Don't pressure me. You ready, folks?
Oh.
Yeah, baby.
You're going to have to come to me. Ooh-wee. There we go.
There should have been music playing.
That was dramatic.
I know. I feel like I'm in The Godfather or something. I'm so nervous.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, let's just move this out of the way.
Yes. All right, a little sprank,
Yeah, you could do a little more Parmesan on top, but I mean, I think we are good.
Yeah, I can't wait any longer.
goodness.
Although I would love a little red pepper. Anyway.
Don't just so tender.
All right, here we go. I got a knife here. Oh wow.
I know. It's gonna be melting.
Oh
now.
wow. Y'all look at that. Can you see all that wonderfulness?
The layers.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
The layers of deliciousness. Wait, Chris.
I've been waiting. Okay.
Is it hot?
No.
Oh.
That is. I feel like judging this one.
That is so good. You'd think there was a big old piece of steak in there. That's
know.
how much I love it.
It's just so flavorful.
Oh, Chris.
It's so classic in so many ways, and I love how the
Your marinara.
The marinara is awesome. The eggplant has got that. It's got a little bit of the crispness, but not too much.
I love it.
It's just so soft. It melts.
I love it. I'm just gonna have one more quick little bite. Oh, wow. Okay.
I tell you. I've just gone to Italian food church.
That is 100,000% ludicrous. People are getting used to me saying 100,000.
I would think that might even be worth 500,000.
Well, you know, maybe 350,000 because
Wow.
there's no meat in there.
I know, it's so good, you guys. This takes a little love, and it's a great Sunday project. It's not too difficult.
Oh,
and
I got a cute little dog.
The dogs are joining us. The results are so great. It's such a family comforting thing.
I just
make
wanna
a little
eat-
garlic bread, do a little green leaves lettuce.
The top of this is so good.
It's so delicious. Anyway, we love you guys so much. Make eggplant parmesan and just be thankful.